Hey friends, welcome to the channel where we dive deep into language learning and productivity. Today I'm going to share with you my top tips and insights on using LingQ, an app that has been my secret weapon in learning 4 different languages so far. Los geht's! My name is Dustin, I'm an IT project manager from Germany. On this channel we create content that helps us to be more productive, to learn new things, especially languages, and to live a happier and more fulfilling life. Today we'll be talking about LingQ, which is an app that helps you to learn a foreign language by reading and listening to content that is comprehensible, so at the right level for you, and compelling, which means interesting. This language learning hypothesis has been coined by the famous linguist Stephen Krashen and has been a true revelation to me when I've learned about that the first time. It's very contrary to the standard schoolbook approach, much less boring, and actually works for most people way better. I've already made a bunch of videos about LingQ, but today I want to give you my best tips and insights about how to use this app successfully. This is not an app review. If you are interested in that, I've already made a video about that and I will link it somewhere here. Alright, let's dive into today's hour. First, you know what comes next, a nice sip of coffee. Alright, let's dive into today's topic. Creating a routine is crucial for language learning. Set specific times each day or week dedicated to language practice. Consistency is key to making progress. I've already made a video on how to find time for language learning and you can also find it here. Next is to maintain your daily streak. LingQ, like many other language learning apps, rewards daily use. So try to maintain a daily streak as it helps to reinforce your learning habits and keep you engaged. And focus on comprehensible input. So instead of stressing over actively memorizing vocabulary, immerse yourself in content that interests you. Read and listen to content, striving for comprehension rather than rote memorization. Of course, you can do memorization exercises if you enjoy them or if you want to drill on specific words. But in general, try to stick to consuming massive amounts of comprehensible and compelling input. It's essential to choose content that genuinely captivates you. This ensures you stay motivated and engaged, especially as you progress into the intermediate stages. Diversify your language learning input by exploring different types of content like articles, podcasts, videos, and books. This variety exposes you to various language styles and contexts. As you become comfortable with easier material, challenge yourself with more complex content. For example, if you are reading biographies, transition to novels and progressively advance maybe even to classics based on your language learning goals, of course. LingQ provides statistics that track your progress, so make sure to regularly review these stats to observe your improvements, even when it might not feel like you are progressing at all at times. And the next one goes to the same direction, which is recognize and celebrate your language learning milestones. Whether it's completing a book, understanding a challenging article, or having a successful conversation, we often forget to do that and just rush to the next task. But it's an important part of our journey. Try to remind yourself at when you started and couldn't understand even a word. Once you're confident in your abilities, try reading content without LingQ's assistance. This transition is akin to removing training wheels from a bike. It signifies your growing language proficiency. While building comprehension is essential, don't procrastinate on speaking if it's one of your language learning goals. Yes, you should first build up your comprehension, but at some point you should also start speaking, if that's your goal, of course. That will always feel uncomfortable at the beginning, but the reward is definitely worth it. I've already made a video on how to do so and I will also link it somewhere here. If you are interested in more videos about LingQ, I have created this playlist here for you. Or if you currently need to save some money but still want to learn a language, I've made this video here. Also, if you found the video useful, please leave me a like and a subscription to the channel, and to not miss anything going forward, click on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye.